Hello everyone, welcome back to Edulogos Mind. Today we are going to the basic thing of history. What is history? When we are going to the past and studying about past, that is history. What is past? Past means the things that happened as yesterday or as 2 days before or as last week, or the things happened in last year, like you were studying in which class last year, or how your birthday happened in last year. So that is the past. What is present? Present means today's thing that you are studying, you are watching the video at present now. Whatever today you are doing, that is present. Now what is future? Future means tomorrow. What you are going to do in tomorrow or day after tomorrow or in the next week or next year, which class you are going to be. That is future. So whatever we are studying, we are coming to going to study or coming to know about the past, that is called history. You can say history about our life, about the human history, that early man, about our country's history, about your family's history, like your grandmother, grandfather's life story, or before that, that is history. It tells us about the events that took place in the past. Past means yesterday, 1 day, 1 month before, 1 day before, 1 year before, or many years before. That is history. The event that happened in the past, that is history. That may be your life history, your family history, your grandfather's family history, in which class your grandfather studied, which school your grandfather studied, that is also history, grandfather history, or your country's history, your city's history, your school history, all the past story of the schools, your school history. So the events that happened about the past, that is the history. Now, how you come to know about the history, especially about any place's history, your country's history, your land's history, how you come to know about the history? The historians told us about the history. Who all are the historians? Who all are searching all these the past events? Who all are searching the past record in the past times by some tools? What are the tools? All these things, timeline, sources, all these things we will study in this lesson. So history is the story of the people. It is the story of events in order of their occurrence. Means maybe 1 year before something happened, then before 6 months before that happened, then 1 month before. Like that, one after one it happened. That is called how it happened, one by one. That is that record of time of the past. That is history. History of that particular story. Now, the main timeline, how do we study history? We study history by the timeline. Timeline, what is timeline? Timeline as a tool of study. That is one of the tool of studying history. It helps to find the answer for the questions, when did it happen? And the another tools are books, newspaper, coins, paintings. That also helps us to know about the past history, about the things, how it occurrence. We can see the picture on the early man's cave, where the early man's lived in the caves. About by studying this picture, by studying any books, old newspaper, any painting, like that, we come to know about our past things, about any place, the past of the particular place. Now, at first we have to study about the timeline. What is the timeline? See this picture you can see on the screen. That is the timeline picture. Suppose in this picture you can see that is 1500, 1000, 500. Now how it come 1? So if we are taking that is the main point, suppose you know Jesus Christ, suppose we are thinking this point at that time Jesus Christ born, and that is called AD. This side means after the birth of Jesus Christ. Here the Jesus Christ born. At that time Jesus Christ born, and after that Jesus Christ born, the birth time after Jesus Christ, this is Anno Domini. This AD after the Jesus Christ birth, that is called Anno Domini. Other side it is called CE, Common Era also. Here it is 1 AD, you can see 1 AD, or you can say 1 CE, anything you can say here. And before the Jesus Christ birth, this side, before Christ birth, that is called BC or BCE, before Common Era. So like that we can fix our timeline. So if we are saying about 2020, today is 2020 year going on, means after the Jesus Christ birth, 2020 years gone. Like that it is counting. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now something more. Who are historians? Historians are the experts who study history and help us to understand the history. Causes and effects that help us understand how and why events happens. How it happens, why it happens, all these things. Historian ask the question, solve the question, and bring to us as in the page of the books. And how they are doing these things? Using the tools like from old newspaper, coins, books, or from the old monuments. All the old buildings, there are so many things written on the wall, on the land, on their surfaces, so many things it written, and so many things there we get from under the soil, digging out from the soil, and so many evidence we are getting from the wall. From that the historians judge the letters, judge the languages, and by that they come into so many conclusion, and that they keep into the books, and from that we come to know which time the building built, and etc., about the king, queen at that time, etc. So that way we come to know about our history.